Hello there everybody, welcome back to another late night styling video. Today we'll be going over Brylcreem again, but it's no ordinary Brylcreem because we'll be talking about the Asian version. To be exact, it's the Indonesian version. Ironically, they stopped selling this in Indonesia even though they still produce it there. But long story short, at this moment, it's being produced in Indonesia to be sold around Southeast Asia, so you would find it in countries such as Singapore and Malaysia. I myself found this one in Singapore on the same day, same time, same location when I found Tancho. And I talked about that a little bit in my Tancho review. But okay, I've always wanted to try some Brylcreem. When I was in Indonesia, when I discovered what Brylcreem was, by then it was too late because they had no more Brylcreem. And I moved to Germany, no Brylcreem too. All I had was Brisk, which is pretty different from Brylcreem. And I went to Singapore. I couldn't wait to pick up some Brylcreem. I've been hearing all about its hype. Sounds like the kind of thing I would use and would really like. And I tried it for the first time. It was my very first Brylcreem. I used it and I automatically knew that there was something up. There was something wrong, and I used the wrong freaking type of Brylcreem. And I hate it. I'll tell why later. And for now, you guys didn't sit on your sorry asses and click this link just to hear me talk about my life story, so I'll just get to the point and talk about Asian Brylcreem over here. Okay, so let's just take a look at the pot. Over here, you would see a big capital B right over there with Brylcreem on top, and your Vector Lion logo over there. And I have the European version right over here. I'll just go grab it. And there's the really cool line design up there with Brylcreem at the bottom and the rest of the text below. And the Vector logo of the line I showed you earlier on the Asian version appears on the top of the lid on the European version of Brylcreem, as well as the Asian version. But okay, let's open it up. Packaging, pretty much same old non-US version of Brylcreem. Red pot, plastic pot with a gray bottom, screws off, foil covering in it. Open it up, you see the cream inside there, and now it's scent. Different. The European version of Brylcreem smells like lemon shaving soap. This one smells like plain old soap. I like the scent. It's very clean, very refreshing, and it just smells pretty good. It's clean. And white cream, it pretty much looks the same. But let's do a scoop test right now. I really don't want to waste any of my good European Brylcreem, but it's 250 milliliters. This one is just 125. Oh yes, and also the Asian versions come in sizes of 125 milliliters and 250. And I think they have a travel size pot. I don't exactly know. Maybe it's about 80, 60, 80 or 100. I don't know. It's somewhere around there. The European versions come in 150 and 250, not 125. Okay, scoop test. This is the Asian version right over here. Scoop it out. One small finger dab. European version. Scoop it out as well. It feels... The European version feels a little more firm to scoop out. And now, on my fingers... Okay, so... The European version, it just feels like it melts a little more easily. I mean, not that it melts a little more easily, it just feels more greasy and more oily. Eventually, it doesn't feel any more cream-like, but it's pretty oily. While the Asian version over here, it's more pasty. I gotta wash the European version on my hands. I'm not gonna put it in my hair at this moment, it's only a bit anyway. But the Asian version feels a little more pasty and a lot significantly less greasy than the European version. And I'll just go ahead and take more. Same old, same old. Just take a little dab will do ya. Taking out one finger dab. Rub in your hands, easy to scoop out, easy to apply. blah de blah, you know the rest of the story. Easy style, light hold. Okay, let's get to styling this. My hair is not at its best. It is late at night over here, and that's when my hair does not really cooperate that well. But what the heck? This is not a serious styling video anyway. It's just a quick review of the Asian Brylcreem. Not like I'm going to do any serious styling like it's a pomade. It's just a really light cream. That doesn't mean so much to me. I'll just do like a really simple, probably dead looking side part. Okay, let's just pretend that we're finished and I'll call it done. Now, pay attention to my hair. Look at it closely. What do you notice? Do you see any of that very classic, old school looking Brylcreem high greasy shine that we all know and love? The answer is no. That's because of this. This over here. Look at the pot. Aqua Oxy Nourishment. None greasy. None greasy. Okay? Now everyone, say these 3 words together with me. None greasy Brylcreem. What does that sound like? It just kind of sounds wrong. It really sounds wrong, doesn't it? Since when is Brylcreem not greasy? I mean, mention Brylcreem, and one of the first things you would think about is greasers, who obviously had shiny, greasy hair. And Brylcreem was a favorite back in the day because it really gave you that shiny, greasy look. Well, this one just fails to. I mean, it does what a cream is supposed to do. Give it that light hold, almost pretty much the same hold as water, which is pretty negligible. You'd expect the creams that's still okay. You'd also notice that conditioning property, it kind of softens your hair like what Brylcreem usually does, but it seriously lacks in shine. So just imagine, I've been waiting for years to try Brylcreem where there was none where I lived until I finally picked it up. After hearing about its hype surrounding the shine and how shiny it is, I tried it out, only to discover that it only has a natural shine that is non-greasy and a little bit above medium, and that is not high. One could easily imagine my disappointment. It was beyond words. At this point, I don't even know, I couldn't even find any more words to describe this product. It's just, all in all, very disappointing. I mean, I've never gotten truly angry at a product. I've used some bad products before. And a non-shiny Brylcreem just crosses the border for me. It just pisses me off. I mean, when you say Brylcreem, what is Brylcreem? One reason why people use Brylcreem is because of the high shine it gives. Because Brylcreem is pretty much short for Brilliant Cream or Brilliantine Cream. I don't exactly remember, but basically Brilliant Cream, Brilliantine Cream, whatever it's supposed to be. It is a cream that it's brilliant, so it's supposed to give you a high shine that a Brilliantine gives you, because it's a Brilliantine and a cream at the same time. But this one just doesn't give any much shine like how real Brylcreem is supposed to give you. And I'm just lost for words. I seriously am. I mean, just look at this bullshit. Take a moment to pause, to do some pausing at some points in this video. Because I'll show you the ingredients. This is the Asian version. You can pause your screen right now. And this is the European version. You would notice that the ingredients are pretty much different. I mean, Actually, even though you have some words which are the same, like you have water, mineral oil, even though their words are pretty much different. Like water is aqua on the European version, mineral oil is paraffinium, liquidum, so on and so forth. You'd start off with pretty much the same ingredients, but as you go towards the bottom of the list, you would find that this Aqua Oxy Nourishment Brylcreem has all sorts of added bullshit that doesn't even make sense. Because these guys are just trying to be a step ahead of everybody, just being like, hey look, I created a non-greasy kind of Brylcreem, isn't that an innovation or what? Until you just discovered that it is just a Brylcreem with no shine. So you might as well just take this and not call it Brylcreem anymore, because this to me is not even Brylcreem. You just might as well scratch the Bryl and it's called cream instead. Because this is fake Brylcreem without its shine. So, a Brylcreem without shine is just seriously, it defeats the whole purpose of what Brylcreem is supposed to be. And I hope you actually do learn something for this video. I hope I'm not being too subjective or anything for those of you who don't exactly know anything about Brylcreem. This is actually not the best place to start. You can click on the link to my European Brylcreem review if you really want to know about Brylcreem and what real Brylcreem is like, unlike this crap over here. Just go ahead and check out my Brylcreem review, which I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you think this Brylcreem sucks, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Hey fellas, I know I signed off earlier, but I know what some of you are thinking. What the hell? There are different versions of non-US Brylcreem, and the answer is yes. In my opinion, the European and Asian versions really differ significantly from each other than at some. If you take its typical hair cream properties away, they really differ in terms of shine, scent, and even their consistency. They kind of differ somewhat. This will lead me to do a future video, so here's a very quick sneak peek to the future of my channel. A quick update for you guys. I will be doing an investigation video. I'll be the very first person on YouTube to make a comparison video to different types of Brylcreem around the world. So I'll be comparing 3 types of Brylcreem. Obviously, the European and Asian versions will be making a comeback in a video, and the third Brylcreem will obviously be the US version of Brylcreem, which comes in a black tube, which I will by then receive from my friend Ryan Dolan, aka the Ozark Greaser. He's an awesome guy. I'll give him a little shout out. Please do check out his channel and subscribe to him. I'll leave a link below in the description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.